Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I'm Tanish Gupta, and in today's video, we're going to learn about a revolutionary starter kit for the Rootstock blockchain. It will help people build a dApp under 2 minutes on the Rootstock network, where they will deploy a contract, build a fully functional front end with awesome animations. So before you get started, just quickly come up on your browser and search create for rootstock-app.wordful.app. So this is going to be our landing page. Here you can see how our command works, features of it, the tech stack it has, etc. So we have added excellent animations and amazing UI in this as well. Feel free to look at it. Then to know more about the package, you can view its npm page. We have a very cool nav bar here as well. You can see the GitHub code, etc. How we did, what we did. You can see all the commit plus all our versions. You can see here, like we had 4 versions. Currently we are in 1.0.2. And starter kit boomed really. We have over 166 downloads in the time period of 1 day. I published this kit yesterday only, and we have already gotten 166 downloads. People are loving it. We have been improving the kit size. Earlier it was 300 MB, now it's been reduced to 128 KB. That's how good we are getting with Git. So leaving all this behind, let's quickly get into the coding part. Just come up on the website and copy this command. This is your one command which you need for creating the whole tab. Now what you need to do is just open VS Code, make any folder with anywhere you want to place the starter kit, and paste the command. So I'm going to name it A for simplicity. Wait for the magic to happen, and there you go. Our tab has completely been loaded. So you just need to follow some commands now, like simple cda and the npm run install -all. So let's quickly go through the structure. We are going to have a front end directory and a Hardhat directory. So the Hardhat contracts directory, you just need to store the contract here. All the deploy scripts, etc. are going to be here. The testing script is going to be here as well. Then you have the config, you have your en. What you need to do is just click on this and rename this to .en. Very good. So we have a full readme as well on how to deploy, etc. stuff. If you get stuck, you can read this, or you can come on the npx page, the npm package page. Here you will see the structure, the screenshot, etc. How to deploy everything fully. Everything is going to be here. So you can see the deploy command, or you can use this deploy command. We have made people's life so much easier. You do not need to enter a single directory to do something. You just need to enter the main directory, the root of the whole project, and then you do not need to touch anything at all, like going into the directories. Let me show you what I mean by that. Let's wait for this to load. Once all the packages are downloaded, it's a heavy software, so it's going to take a little bit time. That's why all the packages are getting installed. First the contracts directory, then the front end directory. Let's wait for the packages. Very cool. So all the packages have been installed. Now what we can do is simply run the npm run dev command to start the front end. And to deploy the contracts, first check out the front end quickly. It's going to be hosted on localhost 3000. This is going to be the dApp which we are creating under 2 minutes. It has full light mode and dark mode support as well. Ignore the errors, as currently the contract is not deployed on any network. That's why it's saying this for now. We have light dark mode fully supported for this. Very cool. Let's quickly get to the deployment. Just copy this command. Just need to know this one single command to deploy the contract to the Rootstock. Seems surreal to be real, right? Let's quickly run it and see the result. So if you get this error like I got, so this one silly mistake you did, you need to come in the contracts directory and the env file we updated. You need to enter your private key. You can see the details here as well. Like you need to enter your private key here. So let me just quickly enter my private key here. I have put in the private key, but I had to hide it due to privacy issues. I have entered the private key. You just need to enter the private key at that separate place where we stop the video ad. So now we can run the command again. Now see the magic happening. It's deploying the contract. It's compiled fully with a single command. This is our address that is linked with the private key. So another issue you're going to face if you don't have any test funds, it's going to redirect you to the Rootstock faucet. So you need to get some test funds from there. So you don't even have to type in the Rootstock faucet link to get test funds. That's the simplicity of this starter kit. Now you need to do nothing, wait for the contract to get deployed, which is going to be in seconds due to Rootstock's fast chain. There you go. The contract is successfully deployed. We have got a green signal. If you load up your contract successfully deployed, this is the contract address. We just need to copy this now. You can see the transaction hash, the gas fee, the arguments used in the constructor, the block number in which it was deployed, everything A to Z is going to be here. So if you wish to see this on the Explorer, you just need to run this one single command. Like just go to this link and click on open. Now it's going to open the Explorer. You can see the deployed contract here. So this is the transaction details. We deployed this contract. Just very good. Let's do some transactions with it so we can see the results. So it will display some steps now. Now, as we have already copied the address, it says go to the front end directory, go to the source and the libraries directory. Now here you can see the contract.ts page. Now suppose if you deploy the contract on frontend, you need to update this contract address. If you deploy it on testnet, you need to update this one. So as we were on the testnet, we are going to update this starter kit. Yes, supports both mainnet and testnet as well. So if you need to do some testing, go for testnet. If you are done with testing, go to mainnet. Now it says connect your wallet and test the app. You will be good to go. So we could verify the contract as well, which we have compiled here. So if you wish to update the contract according to your need, just come up here and update this one, and you will be good to go. So very cool stuff. I think this should update our front end. Now let's come to the localhost page which we deployed. Give this a quick refresh. The errors are gone now. It's loading the contract data. The contract owner is this address, and the maximum count I set it to 1000 for this contract for testing only. From the single page, you can get the test tokens, view the transactions on Explorer, and look at the rootstock developers docs. Let's connect our wallet. MetaMask is my preferred wallet. You could go with any, whichever you like. And so MetaMask requires some authentication. So we have been redirected back here. Let's go back to our main page, and our wallet is connected. Very cool. We can select mainnet or testnet through it. I'm going to go for testnet now, as the contract is on testnet. You can see the cool light mode and dark mode. We have the rootstock logo here, and let's try to increment this number by an amount. Let's say we want it to be 4, and click on increment. Now MetaMask pop-up comes in. You just need to confirm the transaction, and it's going to say processing. Let's view it in MetaMask. It's pending right now. Wait for the transaction to go through. So the count has been successfully increased, and you can see you could reset the counter, you can decrement the count here, etc. Whichever you wish to do is going to be fully working. We just did the example of the increment of the count. Awesome. Now we can come back to the VS Code and see everything is working great. So this was it for your demo of how to make this starter kit work in less than 2 minutes. If you remove my explaining etc., it's going to be less than that. Still, it was a good demo, and you managed to learn something really great. And you could create anything, whatever you wish, on the Rootstock network now with this revolutionary starter kit. So I'm excited to see what people are going to build with it. If you like the starter kit, you can support me by following me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and GitHub. And if you wish to contribute to this starter kit, just come here, read the contributing.mp file, and you will get to know how you can contribute to this package. It's fully built in TypeScript, JavaScript, Solidity, Shell, and CSS. Thank you, and have a good day.